Hello YouTube and welcome to this channel. This is the continuation of the first tutorial, and I'm going to here show you how to do the excitations and assignment of the torque. As you remember from the last tutorial, we have a ring here that is selected now, and we are going to have a cross section of this ring and start making our excitations in it. So the cross section that I am interested at is basically Z and Y. So I'm gonna go with by selecting that, you can go right click on it and say edit surface section, and I'm gonna go with X and Y and Z, in fact YZ, and that gives me two cross sections right there. I'm gonna right click on them and go to the edit boolean and then say separate the bodies, and then I can select the body that I want. Let's say this one is the one that I selected, and I can call it terminal, and after I call the terminal, I can right click on it, go to the excitations, and simply select some excitation current of, let's say, 100 amp. That's okay. So make sure that the current direction is in the direction that we want. So we want to have a magnetic field that is going upward toward the Y directions. So you can basically, I don't know if you can see that, but here is, so if you can see here, we have this little arrow that shows the direction. So basically this arrow suggests that our field is going to be exactly towards the Y directions. Okay, that's what you want. So we will go and continue in our investigation. Now we want to go and right click on the permanent magnet and say I want to assign the torque. And here I'm gonna say that I'm not interested to the torque at global Z axis. I'm actually interested in the torque at relative coordinate system that I just defined, which is in the middle of the magnet, and of course the Z axis. So this is important. Make sure that you do select the right coordinate system, or else the value that you get might not actually feel right. Okay, I think by mistake I put a Control V. Okay, torque of permanent magnet. Okay, cool. And we just leave it like this, and this is gonna be enough for that. I think one more thing that we need to do is just assigning some basically region, and you don't need to do anything, just select it like that. You can give it some like 150 padding from outside, and that should be fine, and just press OK, and that basically creates our region. And I'm gonna actually make the region to disappear, just hide it. So this the region is hide, and that basically conclude our excitations and magnetic. Although you need to still define your magnetostatic setup. In the setup you can go with like more details and accurate percentage error. I'm gonna put 0.5% here and make that to be 40% instead of 30% refinement per path. That should be enough, and I'm happy with the result right now. Okay, I will come back with the simulation result. Thanks for watching.